Hello again, third graders! Over the next couple of weeks, you're going to be seeing a lot of fractions. So we thought we'd go over one of the tools that we left for you in your folder to compare fractions and go over some fraction basics. Hopefully all of you remember that the different parts of a fraction. So we have the top number, which is called the numerator, and the bottom number, which is called the denominator. So we can kind of remember that by thinking of D down for denominator, okay? When we're comparing two fractions that have the same denominator, bottom number, it means the whole is the same. So we just need to look at the numerators, the numbers on top, to complete the number sentence. So you can see here on my number line, I start at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then my whole is 5 out of 5. I've marked two fractions on my number line, 1/5 and 4/5. And you can see, because they have the same denominator, that 4/5 is larger than 1/5.
But sometimes our denominators are not the same, and so then it can be a little trickier to compare them. So in your packets, for some of your days for math, we included a paper that looks like this. Yours is actually a little longer, it goes all the way down to 12ths, but we couldn't fit that here, so we've condensed it for today. And so this is a tool that you can use when you're comparing fractions. So here I have 5/6 and I have 2/4. And some of us might already know which one of those is bigger, but if we didn't, what we can do on this tool is we can find our fourths, which is this row right here, 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces in the whole, and I could shade 2 of them in, because that would be 2/4. And then I can find my 6, which is right here, 6 pieces in the whole, and I can shade 5 of them in, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Almost the whole thing. And this is a really great way for you to visually see that this fraction, 5/6, is bigger than 2/4, because you can see this one is a whole lot longer. So if I were making this a number sentence that's true, I would need to use my greater than, less than sign to mark the bigger number. Now I can do the same thing. Use this tool again. I can just erase what I've done. In the classroom, we usually stick these in a sheet protector and we get to use a whiteboard marker and an eraser. We don't have that stuff at home, so you're just probably gonna have to erase your pencil. Here we have 1/2 and 3/6. So again, I can use my tool and I can color in 1/2, and then I can go down to my 6th, and I can color 3 of them in this time. And then this is a great way for me to see, oh, these are actually equal. If you go up the line, you see they take up the same amount of the whole. And if you remember that fancy word that we use with fractions when they're equal, I bet you remember, the big fancy word is we would say that those two fractions are equivalent. Remember, it has that beginning part of equal right there. So this was just to help you get a good start on your fraction paper, and just like always, you'll have a chance to connect with us and ask us any questions if you have any. All right, have a great day. Bye-bye.